What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to discover another amazing app called Obsidian. And Obsidian is one of the most amazing note-taking app, or at least one of the most well-developed note-taking app, which does a lot of amazing and very interesting things. And today I'm going to be presenting it to you. So to discover Obsidian, you want to head straight away to obsidian.md, the website, and you'll be presented with it. So what is Obsidian? It's a note-taking app which aims to sharpen your thinking. Obsidian is a private and flexible writing app that adapts to the way you think. And so this is just a little presentation of the interface. You can already see the different sections and the icons. And it has this unique feature here where it shows you a link tree of your different ideas, or a map of the different ideas that you're going to be having. So let's scroll and check out a little more of it. So if you go down here, your thoughts are yours. Obsidian stores notes on your device so you can access them quickly, even offline. No one else can read them, not even us. Well, this is just a basic feature. I don't understand why they're mentioning it. That's how it's supposed to be. Next feature is your mind is unique. With hundreds of plugins and themes, you can shape Obsidian to fit your way of thinking. So I really enjoy the fact that they have multiple themes here, which is not something you really find in a lot of note-taking apps. They basically usually have just one theme and that's it. Yeah, so moving on, you have your knowledge should last. Obsidian uses open, non-proprietary files, so you are never locked in and can preserve your data for the long term. So I think these little features they list here are just supposed to be there for every note-taking app. I don't see why they're listed here as features which are special or unique to Obsidian. So basically that's what every note-taking app should do. So let's just explore a little more and see what they propose. Spark Brilliance, from personal notes to journaling, knowledge bases, and project management, Obsidian gives you the tools to come up with ideas and organize them. So you can have links, create connection between your notes, link anything and everything, ideas, people, places, books, and beyond. Invent your own personal Wikipedia. So as you see here, basically it's saying that you can be able to add links to other notes. So you're not just going to be creating one note, your note can be linking, like a website, you can have links to other notes and creating basically references in your different notes. So it's an interesting feature that I've never really seen in other note-taking apps, and you're able to link different ideas to different places. So you usually have a graph, you visualize the relationship between your notes, find hidden patterns in your thinking through a visually engaging and interactive map. Yeah, so that's interesting. So you can imagine writing a note and maybe mentioning somebody, and when you write another note in a different time, at a different time, you mention the person again, and you start seeing the link between those two people once you establish that. So you equally have canvas and infinite space to research, brainstorm, diagram, and lay out your ideas. The canvas is limitless playground for your mind. So yeah, this is a little bit what it looks like. Then you equally have plugins. Build your ideal workspace with hundreds of plugins. Our open API, it's easy to tailor Obsidian to fit your personal workflow. So yeah, so they provide plugins as well. That's interesting. Okay, you can sync securely, access your notes on any device with secure military grade AES-256 encryption, fine-grained control, version control, and equally collaboration. So wow, that's interesting. So really, Obsidian really takes note-taking to a whole different level, and they're integrating some amazing features like version control, which keep track of all the changes you make to your notes and all the revisions. Publish instantly, turn your notes into an online wiki, knowledge base, documentation, or digital garden, seamless editing, customization, and optimized performance. So as you can see, Obsidian really goes a step ahead in note taking, and they try to innovate a lot of things. They integrate plugins, they integrate encryption, and many other features which I've never really seen in other note taking apps as well. So it's your time to shine. Get started with Obsidian for free. So you can get started with Obsidian for free. I notice on here that they have a pricing, and so we are going to go ahead and check that out. So they have two plans on here: free for personal use, We don't charge based on features or usage, only pay if you use Obsidian commercially. So if it's for personal use, okay, but if it's for commercial use, then you're definitely going to need a commercial license. You usually have add-ons. If you like some additional add-ons, you can sign up and purchase that as well for the sync feature and for the publish feature, and equally get the beta versions of Obsidian VIP badges and help us remain 100% user supported. So one-time payment of 25 USD or more. So yeah, so that's a presentation of Obsidian. It's a note-taking app which seeks to really innovate and integrate some additional features into our traditional note-taking experience and really help people keep track of their ideas, build a whole graph of their ideas, link their ideas together, and have a broader pictures of their way of thinking. I think it's a very unique perspective. I think it's a very unique app which tries to do something very interesting. I'm not sure at a personal level of how useful that's going to be for me, because I don't really see a lot of links between my notes. I basically take notes based on the specific moment or the specific project I'm working on, which aren't necessarily linked together. So at a personal level, I don't think it's something I need or I use even. I don't use Obsidian, but definitely if you feel like you may have a utility for this, or your ideas might be linked together in a certain sense, or if you just want to check it out, then you can do just that. So check it out at obsidian.md and tell me the experience you have with it, if it was useful or if it really helped to boost your productivity. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.